Welcome to Keep Space, finding a joist with a magnet on a stick. Think of something besides your shelf for a change. Here are some of the key features for finding nails and joists. Alright, today we're going to lay out the joist pattern to install Keep Track on the roof of this garage. So we're going to start out by studying the hardware. We're going to see the direction of the outlets, and we're going to see the hardware that's mounted. So there's our clues there. Direction of the outlets generally means the direction of the joists. And then of course we have the other mount pattern over here. So I'm going to show you, I'm going to use this little chalk powder for a chalk string. Okay, so I'm going to pick up on where the nails are in each of the studs. So I'm going to just kind of fish around a little bit. There's one. So from there, I'm going to follow it and go straight away, and I'm going to feel a little pull. There's one. There's one. There's one. Lost it for a sec. Okay, so I'm going to mark this one here. I'm going to keep my eye on it. I'm going to put a little powder on the end of this, and I'm going to go up and mark it. There we go. So I left a little purple mark. Now I'm going to come down here and mark this one. There's purple marked. And then I'll do one more, since I want to install it tight against the garage. Three nice purple chalk marks. Just mark it nicely. I'll put one in the middle here. I'll fish with a clean one. And then mark it with the other one. There we go. Okay, so I can tell by this distance to here that these are 16 inch on the center. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here, I'm going to visually just pick 16 inches, and then I'm going to find one. So from there, I can come over, and this one's got chalk on it, so I'm not going to touch unless... accidental. So what I can do is I can mark this one, and then come over here and fish with a clean one. There we go. So I'll mark that one. See if I have enough chalk on that. Light marking, there we go. So you can see I've got 3 joists already picked out. Okay, so I'm going to find one in this area, because I want to make sure I don't have any kind of change in the direction of these joists. So that's good. So now I will continue that across, because I want to make sure joists go all the way to where I need them. So there's one there. Up again, chalk on a pool cube, and then see the distances and mark one there. Okay, so now I've got a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 joists identified, and I'm positive that they all continue and cover this whole area. Now the rest of the layout is going to be very simple. So in review, here's the 1, 2, these are all on nails, 3, 4, 5, all the way to here, 6. Obviously on 16-inch center. So I know for a fact that the joists I'll continue through in the area I need to install in. That's how simple it is. Something I want to show you that what you want to figure out is where the end row will be, which is 68 inches. So what I did is I hung the magnet from the first piece, then I came out to the 68-inch point. Now I know where the garage door is going to come to in relation to the end of the totes. So as you can see, I've laid it out such that it is almost fully covered by the garage door when the totes are up in place. Of course, the important thing to avoid here is not conflicting with the mount for the tracks on the garage door, pulling totes in and out. So as you can see, that line gives me plenty of room. So you can see the distance I left is approximately 18 inches from the wall.
Discover your secret storage spot. It's like a storage room you never knew you had. We'll put 12 or 24 totes above your garage door. Measure your headroom for Keep Track compatibility.